If you don't have a mic for your computer, no problem. You can use your phone as a microphone and it's super easy. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. Step 1. Download DroidCam on your PC. First, open your web browser on your PC and search for DroidCam. Click on the official website. Link is in the description. Now, scroll down to find the PC client. Click on Windows Setup under Windows Client to download the file. Next, click on this download button to download the file. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file and install DroidCam. Just follow the setup instructions. It installs like any other app. Step 2. Install DroidCam on your phone. Now, on your phone, open the Play Store or App Store, search for DroidCam and tap Install. After it installs, open the app, tap Continue and then OK when prompted, and then allow all the permissions it asked for. Step 3. Connect your phone and PC. Go back to your PC, open DroidCam app, just click anywhere in this area to add your phone. It will search for your phone and show it here. You can select the phone from here. If it doesn't appear, just click thrice on Refresh Device List and this window will open up. Now on your phone, you'll see a Wi-Fi IP address and port number. In the DroidCam app on your PC, enter the Wi-Fi IP and port shown on your phone. Make sure to check the box for Enable Audio. Click OK and you'll see the live camera feed from your phone on your desktop. Below this, you'll see the microphone levels as your PC is now receiving audio from your phone's mic. Step 4. Set your phone mic as the default input. Once connected, right-click on the sound icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and open Sound Settings. Under the Input section, select DroidCam Virtual Audio as your microphone. To test it, open the Voice Recorder app or any app that uses a mic and hit Record. You should now be using your phone as your PC mic. And that's it. You have now turned your phone into a microphone for your computer. If this video helped you, please leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe for more simple tech guides.